This video will show you how to select and open a database through the library website. So if you're at library.albany.edu, go up to the ribbon at the top and click Tools, and then select Database Finder. That'll bring up this page, and there's several different ways that you can open a database. If you know the title, you can type it in here, or you can type in a keyword to give you kind of a general category. So if I know that I'm interested in databases related to emergency preparedness or emergency management, I could type in emergency. It shows me that there are 21 databases that connect with that keyword. So I can scroll through and see what's available, if any of these are good options for me. You can also search by subject area. So we've got a listing here of all of the different subjects we have, and this number in parentheses indicates how many databases we have that connect to that topic area in some capacity. You can also select more than one. So if I'm interested in both anthropology and art, I can select anthropology, I can select art, and search, and that's going to show me all the databases that are available in both. You can also search by type. So instead of subject area, this is the kind of information that's found in the database. So you can see we've got archival materials, articles, an auction and price database. So again, you can scroll through and see what's available to you. And you can search in combination. So if I know, for example, that I want statistical data about history, I can type in history under subject and under type statistics. And again, run my search. So this shows me that there are two databases that have the overlap of both statistical data and historical information. So again, I can look through and see, do any of these databases meet my needs? You can also search by vendor if you know there's a specific vendor that you are looking for. If you're not sure or it doesn't matter to you, you don't need to select that and you can just leave it blank. Do make sure if you're changing up your search that you delete anything that you've currently selected if it's not going to be relevant. You can also see our featured databases here on the side, which show ones that are very popular and get a lot of use. And there's a listing of all the different subject areas down here on the right as well. If you click on one, it will open up a new tab that shows you, again, the list of databases in that subject area, as well as any relevant guides that we have on that topic. So back into the database finder. Once you find a database that you want to open, click on the title. Sometimes that'll open a landing page that looks like this, that again gives you the description, the information as to how we've tagged it. To open it up, click this Access Database button. It'll have you log in with your Albany ID and password the first time if you're off campus. But once you're in, then you're able to do your search and use the database.